Whether you're dealing with everyday smudges or more stubborn stains, there's a cleaning solution for you that will take your walls from looking like this to this. Hi, I'm Annika, and this is how to clean your walls. Let's get into it. To start, dust the walls with a dry cloth. This is important as dust can mix with your cleaning solution and create streaks and smudges. So let's talk about the different types of stains you might encounter. Fingerprints and smudges are common around light switches and door frames. If you've got little ones, crayon and pencil marks might be a bit of a familiar sight. Each of these stains needs a slightly different approach. For general dirt and grime, dishwashing soap is your go-to. Dip a soft cloth into soapy water, wring out the excess liquid, and gently scrub the wall in circular motions. This method is gentle enough not to damage the paint, but effective at lifting off everyday marks. Start at the top of the wall and work your way down to avoid any drip marks. If your walls need a bit more attention, sugar soap is a fantastic option. Sugar soap wipes are great for small areas. Or, for larger areas, you can make a bulk amount of solution by following the mixing instructions on the packaging. Sometimes you'll come across stains that are just a bit more stubborn. For these, a magic eraser can work wonders. These can dull the paint on your wall, so test on a hidden area first. Wet the magic eraser, squeeze out the excess water, and gently rub the stained area. It's super effective at tackling tough marks without needing harsh chemicals. After you've lifted the stain, wipe the area with the yellow side of the eraser. And finally, if the walls still look a bit worse for wear, or if the stains just won't budge, it might be time to consider repainting. Make sure that you clean your walls thoroughly before you start, and choose a paint that suits the room's needs, like mold-resistant paint for bathrooms or washable paint for high-traffic areas. And that's it! If you liked this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.